So, ako na naman po to, si Wayne guys. So, today po, we're gonna react to Katrina Bilardo. Siya ng Latin medley songs. So, combination po siya ng 4 songs. Spain, Oyo Como Va, All This Love, and Don't You Worry About a Thing. Actually, yung Spain, familiar po ko dun kasi kinanta na po yun din ni Mr. Gali Barenciano. So, parang mabilis po siya na jazzy. So, ang ganda po niya. So, ngayon naman po, kakantahin din yun ni Katrina Bilarde. So, sino ba naman po ang hindi nakakakilala kay Katrina Bilarde? Katrina Bilarde, lahat ng sharp, kaya niya po yan. D sharp, F sharp, 5 sharp, kahit anong sharp po yan, kayang-kaya po niya. Si Katrina po kasi, pag pinakanta mo na mataas na kanta, tataasan pa po niya yan. Ganun po kagaling ang level ng voice ni Katrina Bilarde. So, let's check it out. So, just don't forget to subscribe to my channel. When guys, give a thumbs up, click the bell, and give a comments. So, ang kumanta po pala nung Spain na yon, ang original singer po nun is si Aljairyu or Alharyu. Hindi ko po alam kung paano nila pronounce yung nickname niya. Alharyu or Aljairyu. Basta ganun po yung spelling. So, let's start with Katrina Bilarde. Ang sexy niya dito. I like the hair. Hair color, haircut.
Just a photograph of yesterday, and all its edges folded in the corners faded sepia brown, and yet it's all I have of my past love. A postscript
Wow.
to its ending.
Ang ganda ng low note niya, be. Yung low note, galing niya.
Bright days, I can see such bright days when every song we sang is sung again. And now we know this time it's for good. And we're lovers once again.
Diba?
And you're near me. Like castanets, and forever we'll know their meaning. I can bring all my desire, every is on fire, and I get a picture of all my yesterdays. Yesterday I can say again, every time I see your gaze at me.
Cha-cha! Sexy! I remember this song. When we're small.
Si tú no sabes bailar, si estás pelea con el son, si que me marcan del paso, que te seguro que te le vas a gozar.
Spanish.
Voy pa' la rumba, porque me llaman, y necesito que suene el coro para que se ponga así la
Pag ganito, dapat sasayaw ka. Kundi para kang tangang nanonood.
I had some problems,
Third songs.
and no one could seem to solve them. But you found
All this love.
answer. You told me to take this chance and learn the ways of love, my baby, and all that it has to offer. In time you will see the love won't let you down.
Ganda talagang low note niya, be.
That you love
Very
me.
clean.
Said hurt only came to pass me. It sounded so convincing that I didn't have a chance and learned the ways of love, my baby. There is so much love inside me, and all that I have, I'll give my all to you. Oh, this love is waiting for you, my baby, my darling. All this love is waiting for you. It is waiting for you. Baby, all this love is waiting for you. Everybody's got a thing, but some don't know how to handle it.
Last song.
Always reach
Don't you worry about a thing.
just taking the things that were there. Don't you worry about a thing.
Para kami lipstick color. Yan na siya. Ayan na siya. Grabe. May oxygen siya sa chan. Grabe. Ayaw magpakanta.
Don't you worry about it.
Grabe. Sabi ko po sa inyo eh. Meron po yan. Meron po yan siyang ano sa chan. Oxygen. Kaya hindi po siya nawawala ng hininga. Yun nga lang, hindi ka pwedeng sumabay. Grabe siya. Grabe. Oh, ang galing talaga ni Katrina Velarde. Wala akong masabi. Kung mayroon pa pong tataas sa top 1, si Katrina Velarde na po yon. So, I hope guys you enjoyed my reaction with Katrina Velarde. Actually, Katrina Velarde is one of a kind. Kasi legend po siya eh, legend. Iba po talaga yung talent niya sa pagkanta. Lahat na ng matataas na kanta, kinantanan niya. At tinaasan pa niya talaga yung level ng boses nung original na kumakanta. Yun po ang quality ni Miss Katrina Velarde. Sorry, Velarde po. May naapektuhan po ako sa kanta ni Katrina Velarde. Yun po kasi yung trademark niya, yung, alam niyo po, yung kukulot-kulot na pataas. Ganun po si Katrina Velarde. So, I hope you enjoy my reaction. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So, Wayne guys, once again, good night and watch out for my new videos. Bye guys. Pasensya na sa bulol. Shout out nga po pala kay Miss Sherry Han. Abe, wag mong kalimutan kunin yung pino-order mong malagkit. So, good night guys.